Considering bankruptcy but not sure what it entails? Let's quickly walk through the bankruptcy filing process to help you understand your options and ease the uncertainty. Chapter 7 Bankruptcy offers a fast track to clearing most unsecured debts like credit cards. Chapter 13 provides a structured repayment plan that is 3 to 5 years. Filing bankruptcy includes pre-filing planning, meeting with your lawyer, and evaluating your finances. Taking mandatory credit counseling, usually done online, and then submitting your petition to the court. Once filed, an automatic stay halts creditor actions immediately. After filing, you'll attend a brief meeting with a trustee, called the Meeting of Creditors. Here, you'll declare under oath that your petition is true and accurate, and answer questions about your financial situation. After this meeting, any issues are cleared up, and most cases move on to discharge. In a Chapter 13 case, you will begin the confirmation process, that is the process of confirming the plan you submitted to the court. If you're considering bankruptcy, seeking legal advice from an experienced bankruptcy attorney is absolutely essential to understand all the steps to get relief. Click the free consultation button now to speak to an attorney in our network to understand your options. Don't wait. Get your fresh start going today.